AKKO 3068B Plus. Doing a quick unboxing for this video today. Taking it outside the box now. We've got firm padding in the box. We've got novelty keys, quite a decent amount of novelty keys. We've got the key puller, and then we have the wired USB-C powered cable itself. Taking out the box, we can see the yellow legends on top of the grey and black themed keycaps. We've got two stepped hinges on the bottom of the keyboard, which have a really loud clicky to them, like a really loud thud, which is really nice, as well as an on and off button or toggle button at the bottom to enable power on and off. This does have Bluetooth as well as wireless option as well for lower latency, as well as cable version. Take a listen.